Here's the next fan in my grandmother's house. This one's in the study. I really like this one. I'm not a big fan of brass, but just the green and the brass, I really like it. Not sure what brand this is. I'm sure I'll figure out in just a second. Let's see here. Cut on the light. I like the CFLs in this little light kit. Really neat. And let's turn it on for you. It is high. Really quiet one or two. And well. So there you have it. There is the green and brass ceiling fan in the study in my grandmother's house. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below, like this video, smash that little bell. And as always, I will see you in the next one.